So let's say what you want to do is you want to go ahead and save a web page as an image. So to do that, you can simply go to ILoveIMG.com, and over here you can go to HTML to image, or you can go to more tools right here and choose HTML to image right here. Once you do that, you can click on add HTML and copy out the URL right here of the page that you want to go ahead and get the image from. Then you can go ahead and click on add, and then what happens is that it goes ahead and creates out a preview right here, and you can see this right here just like this. You can go ahead and change around the screen size right here. So by default it's SD. You can go for desktop format and go for preview right here. So now you would see the site right here in this resolution, or you can go for tablet view right here just like this as well, and you would see it in that resolution and so forth. You can go ahead and choose to block out the ad as well, or remove the overlay pop-up if any right here. But once you're ready with whatever you see right here, you can click on convert HTML, and it converts the HTML file into an image as if it took a screenshot of that particular page. Then you can simply go ahead and then download this out, and then you have the page right here as an image right here, as you can see just like this. So you can go ahead right here, and then let's say for example go around, so you can see that I can go ahead and choose another page right here as well, and you can go ahead and choose different screen sizes as you want, and even convert it to SVG if you want to right here instead of JPG as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and convert out HTML to image using ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.